The day is finally here. Today, I'm giving you a full tour of our tiny home. Not just any tiny home, but a deep dive into one of the best tiny home designs I've ever seen. And yes, I get to call it home. So grab your cup of coffee or tea, sit back, and imagine yourself living tiny. And trust me, you don't want to miss all of the surprises tucked inside this 28-foot beauty. Jason and I decided to go tiny back in May of 2022. We bought some plans we thought were perfect for us, and then completely scrapped them months later. By November, we had our 28-foot trailer, and we were literally back at the drawing board, creating a design that would work for us. Fast forward through dozens of sketches, mistakes, late nights, and a whole lot of coffee, and in the summer of 2024, we finally finished. By September, we moved in, and honestly, it's been exhausting, exhilarating, and 100% worth it. Come on in. Step inside, and the first thing you'll see is the living room. Our sofa actually doubles as a sleeper for guests. Above it, lots of natural light from the windows. To the left, we've got our mounted TV and floating shelves. Below that, one of my favorite custom pieces, our entryway cabinet. It is definitely multi-purpose. We used a lot of Tetris for this piece. It hides our shoes, the laptop, and are you ready? A Murphy bed for our dog Bessie. Yep, our pup has her very own custom-made Murphy bed, and honestly, she uses it every night. This custom cabinet piece also turns into a workstation. This top opens up and we can set it up as a desk to set up the laptop, charge it, and move our dining chair over, and we can work staring out the door, looking at the beautiful view. Next up is the kitchen. This is where we spend a lot of time and a lot of design energy went into it. We've got a built-in stove, an apron front sink with a beautiful rose gold faucet to match the rose gold hardware on the cabinet, stunning quartzite countertops, open shelving. My dad's a custom cabinet installer, and he helped us create unbelievable storage here. From a pull-out pantry for spices and canned goods, everything has a place. There's even a little Wolf Bar drawer just for Bessie's food and water. We've also got our espresso station because priorities. Under the espresso station, we have the matching cafe appliance line air fryer. And yes, the fridge is perfectly sized to fit the aesthetic. Right past the fridge is our laundry area, stackable washer and dryer, and our whole house water filtration system tucked below. And then there's this sliding barn door. This was my dream feature. We made it with cedar slats left over from the exterior. The rose gold hardware ties it all together, and it brings such warmth to the space. Our bathroom might be tiny, but it's honestly a spa for me. All white tile, a gorgeous blue accent wall in the shower, and yes, a soaking tub. When Jason said I could have a bathtub, I thought he was joking, but we found a 48-inch soaking tub that fit perfectly. It's my favorite spot to unwind. The vanity is DIY too. The gold hardware matches the shower head and gold finishes throughout. Even the painting Jason made me after an anniversary trip to the Cape has a matching gold frame. And the bedroom is on the other side of the pink door. One of the biggest things that makes our design different is no loft bedroom. Yep, you heard me right. Most tiny homes have lofts, but because our subfloor was built on top of the trailer, we would have lost too much headroom. Jason's 6 feet tall, so the idea of cramming into a 24-inch loft, not happening. And honestly, we thought we'd miss the loft at first, but turns out we love having everything accessible on the main floor. We don't need a ladder to crawl into bed, just maybe a step stool for the top shelves in the closet. No loft, no ladders, just cozy. We decided to go for a full-size bed, a side dresser, and custom closets overhead. The bed even has gas strut arms so we can lift it up for more storage. There's even room for a wall-mounted drying rack for air drying our clothes we don't want in the dryer. Lighting is built into the wall, and my stepdad actually converted tea light holders into real wired lights. He also ran all of the electrical in this house, which was a huge project. We couldn't have done it without him. Tiny living doesn't mean giving up on the things you love. It's about designing a life around what really matters. For us, that's time with our pup, hosting family and friends, cooking dinners together, and recharging at the end of the day. So whether you're just starting out on your tiny home journey or you're deep into your own tiny house build, I hope that this tour showed you that it is possible. You can take an idea, sketch it out, and piece it together slowly until you stand inside your own home that you built. It's completely yours. And if you are on this journey, I made a free resource guide just for you. It's got all of my top tips and tricks that we learned while building. You can grab it by signing up through the link in the description below. It's completely free, and I promise it will save you tons of time, stress, and maybe even money. Thank you so much for coming along on this tour of Lil Bitty. It means the world for us to share our story with you. Remember, if you did enjoy this tour, please like and subscribe. And let me know, what was your favorite feature of our home? Until next time, happy sunsets, happy tiny house building. Let's go inside, Bessie.